Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session, we'll learn about Vlookup. So let's get started. It is a powerful function used to look up data in a table organized vertically. It looks down the left column of a range to find a value, and the syntax for that is lookup of lookup value, comma table array, comma column index number, comma range lookup. Here lookup value is the value you want to look up. Table array is the table range including all cells in the table. Column index number is the data which is being looked up. The input is the number of the column counted from the left. And the range lookup is the true if number or false if text, that is 1 or 0. Both 1 or 0 and true or false can be used in range lookup. We have simple data, that is we have fruit column, quantity column and price column in which we have respective values. Now let's find the price of an apple. To do that, let's type is equals to VLOOKUP of A2 comma. This is lookup value. A2 is to C6, which is your table range, comma 3, that is your column index number, and then comma false, which is your range lookup. Now enter. It displays the price of the apple. This looks good and very easy to understand, but you have to be very careful when working with large data sets. And also you can find the data from different sheets, but that particular sheet should be open and active. This is just a brief explanation about VLOOKUP. In future, when we work on the projects, we will learn more about this function, but this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.